Hello, in our last video, we looked at how an LMS and content provider partner up. Today, we are zooming in on the window method, technically known as LTI, Learning Tool Interoperability. Specifically, we are talking about the modern gold standard LTI 1.3. LTI didn't start out this sophisticated. It used to be LTI 1.1, which relied on shared secret. Think of Alice as LMS and Bob as the tool. Both knows a secret password. When Alice wants to send a student to Bob, she signs the request with that password. But here's the catch. If that password is leaked, the whole house of cards falls down. It's like leaving your house key under the doormat. LTI 1.3 changed the game. It uses public key and private key. Now the LMS has the private key it never shares, and the tool only needs a public key to verify the message. So it's more secure. Who's who? Before we get into tech, let's clear up the roles. In the LTI world, we use two specific names, the platform and the tool. The platform is the LMS. Think Canvas, Moodle, or Blackboard. It is the host. It's the primary system which consumes the functionality. The tool is the content provider. It is external application that provides the service. Think it of as virtual lab, a quiz system, or LinkedIn Learning. Basically, platform is a smartphone and tool is your app, where you are downloading that app on your phone to make it more useful. The handshake. So, what happens when the user clicks on the link in the LMS? How it launches the tool? It happens via three-step dance called as OIDC handshake. The initiation, where the platform pings the tool saying, "Hey, someone wants to come in." The challenge, the tool redirect back to the platform to check their credential. The launch, where the platform sends a JWT, which is JSON Web Token. Think it of as a digital tamper-proof envelope. Inside this envelope are the claims of the student ID, their role, and their specific assignment they need to see. LTI 1.3 is just the foundation. On it, it sets LTI Advantage, which give us three superpower. Deep linking, which lets a teacher browse the tools library from inside the LMS and pick a specific quiz to drop into the course. No more copying and pasting of the links. Name and roles. The tool can ask the LMS who else is in the course and get the whole roster instantly. Assignment and grades. This is the bridge back. It allows the tool to send scores, feedback, and multiple attempt data back to LMS gradebook automatically. When we build LTI tool, we have to decide how to host it. It can be single tenant or multi-tenant. Think of single tenant as a separate building and dedicated houses for every university that uses the tool. It's secure, but it's a nightmare to manage as it grows. Whereas multi-tenant, which is more recommended, is like one massive application serving thousands of schools. It's one apartment building for all universities. Everyone has their own logical isolation apartment, but they share same plumbing code server. It's cheaper, faster, and much easier to scale. Deployment. Think of issuer as the university district and client ID as a specific tool. But a district might have five different schools using the same tool in different ways. The deployment ID is the unique ID badge for that specific school setup. Without it, the tool wouldn't know which apartment to open for the user. Talkback. Finally, how does the tool talk back to the LMS to save a score? During that initial handshake, the platform sends a special token endpoint. The tool uses this endpoint to ask for an access token. Once it receives that access token, it has permission to call the LMS backend and say, hey, student A got 93% on their quiz. It's secure, closed loop system where everyone identity is verified at every step. Let's recap. The platform is the LMS where the students are hosted and where the external apps are launched. The tool is the expert providing the service, which is the content. LTI link is the doorway that student click to launch tool inside the platform. JWT is a secure envelope carrying the user data. At the end of the day, LTI 1.3 turns the window method from a sample view into a fully integrated, high secured bridge. So, what's next? We are going to deep dive into the LTI handshake and OIDC claims for the LTI 1.3. Thank you.